Hi, I'm Sarah. Welcome to the 12U12 Custom Item Tutorial. The 12U12 database contains a large collection of verified items across all data categories. We continue to add new items as their information is verified for accuracy. However, some items are not yet available in the database, especially homemade foods, custom products, and newly released products. To handle these situations, 12U12 allows users to create custom items. Custom item lets you record and track an item immediately, even when complete information is not yet available. Let's walk through a few examples. To begin, go to the main menu and tap Input under the My Data section. This morning, I ate my mom's homemade chicken porridge for breakfast. It's a new recipe, and I don't yet have the complete list of ingredients. Rather than wait until I have all the details, I'll add it as a custom item now and convert it into a recipe later. First, I type Mom's chicken porridge. Next, I enter the amount I ate, 1 serving. For the start time, I enter 8 a.m., the time I started eating the porridge. Everything looks good, so I tap Add Item. Since this is the first time I've entered Mom's chicken porridge, 12U12 asks me to confirm the new item. I'll tap Yes. In the display area, you'll notice a C at the end of the item name, indicating that it is a custom item. Later, when I receive the ingredient list from my mom, I can convert this custom item into a recipe using the Create Recipe page. After the conversion, 12U12 will automatically recalculate the nutritional information for all of my previous entries that use this item. Now let's look at another example. I'm currently drinking a bottle of F&N iced tea. Since I still have the bottle with me, I'll scan the barcode. It looks like this product isn't in the 12U12 database yet. 12U12 asks whether I'd like to contribute the product information. Contributing items helps improve future data analysis for both me and other users, so I'll contribute it. The Contribute Data page allows users to submit information for products that are not yet in the database. First, I tap the camera icon in the product name field and take a picture of the product label. The image is automatically uploaded. Next, I do the same for the ingredients field and the nutrition facts field. Everything looks good, so I'll tap Submit. If you're using the browser version of 12U12, you'll need to take the pictures beforehand and upload them from your device. The product name is automatically added to the item name field. The name is a little longer than I'd like, so I'll shorten it. That's better. Now I'll enter the amount, 400 milliliters. I started drinking the iced tea at 12:15 p.m., then I tap Add Item. The iced tea now appears in the display area. For contributed products, the barcode number is automatically displayed in brackets after the item name. Once 12U12 verifies the submitted product information, all of my entries for this F&N iced tea will be updated automatically, and the related nutritional information will be recalculated. Finally, let's look at one more situation. Sometimes I want to record an item, but I no longer have the packaging. For example, I may have taken a supplement but thrown away the bottle. Without the product label, I can't scan the barcode or contribute the product information. In that case, I can still create a custom item and record it immediately. Later, if this supplement product becomes available in the 12U12 database, I can convert the custom item into the verified database item. After the conversion, 12U12 will automatically update my previous entries and recalculate all related information. That's the flexibility of custom items. You can record information now and complete the details later, without losing the value of your historical data. Want to learn more? Check out our other features on the menu bar. Tap the section Titles to watch more tutorial and how-to videos. Thanks for using the 12U12 app.